Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'm going to show you hand embroidery design. Sketch out your design on the fabric. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Let me show you how it's done. I used an 8-inch hoop, pearl cotton balls, needle and stitched it on natural linen fabric. Check out Handiworks YouTube channel for more tutorials. I hope you use this a tiny stitch in some of your own projects, and I hope to see you soon in my new one, so remember to subscribe. I would like to hear your feedback and you can leave them under the comment section as well.